Many of those marching in Black Lives Matter protests have spent most of their lives feeling oppressed. And as they fight for equality day in and day out, one Syracuse man with a radio show is sparking another conversation. News Channel 9's Nicole Somavilla explains.
Each day brings a new march, but all have the same message.
Many black men were affected or traumatized, if you will, by the experiences of the death of George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, and the names continue.
On his radio show, Inspiration for the Nation, George Kilpatrick celebrates those in the black community. He knows their achievements, but he also knows their pain.
And I kept hearing how they were tired, how they were frustrated.
So he held a panel with black therapists around the country called We Are Not Okay.
This is a community that has not traditionally accessed mental health services.
So how important is it for those on the front lines of change to be checking in with their mental health and making sure they have the energy to keep going in a healthy way?
So important and so critical, Nicole. They're out there doing the work without taking care of themselves.
Work many have spent their entire lives doing, and over time it carries weight.
We're talking about this notion of masculinity and wearing the masks and not willing to show that vulnerability, that hurt and that pain, especially around these continued microaggressions.
But talking about that pain is what Kilpatrick believes will help channel that energy into something good.
That means having a conversation. It means being able to say, buddy, I'm not okay today, and here's why. Can I talk to you about that?
Finding ways to heal while still fighting for change. Nicole Somavilla, News Channel 9.
If you're looking for free mental health services, you can call Vera House 24/7. They have a crisis hotline at 315-468-3260.